Welcome back. So, in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to use the function if. And we have two episodes in talking about if, and three more episodes talking about the associated functions corresponding to if function. So, if you need that, just find the links below, the video below, then you will find more information about how to use the if function perfectly. So, let's start right here. Let's see the instruction right here. So the first instruction is, if the highest temperature is higher than or equal to 30, show hot, otherwise show warm. So it is very obvious, right? Here is the highest temperature. So we want to find out that if this temperature, all right, so say if Monday 15.2 is greater than or equal to 30, then we show hot right here. If not, then we show warm right here. All right, so let's do it by using the if function. So if type if, and then we need to type three things right here. Is logical test, value if true, and value if false. So let's as before, right? We just type all the stuff first, and I will explain it to you one by one later. All right. So here, the logical test section, we type B2 greater than or equal to 30. So this symbol meaning greater than, and this symbol meaning equal. So if you use it together, that would be greater than or equal to. It's just the same when we speak in English, right? Greater than or equal to. So conversely, if you want to find that something is smaller than or equal to, then you just reverse the symbol, right? So this will be smaller than or equal to. Now we change to greater than or equal to right here. So B2 is greater than or equal to 30. This is the logical test that what we want to inspect for. So if this is true, okay, so if the value in B2 is true, it's really greater than or equal to 30, show hot, right? The word hot. Because this is an English word, so we need the double quote right here. Remember, for all the English word or string, we do need a double quote. And if this statement is false, so B2 right here is 15.2, right? Absolutely, it is not greater than or equal to 30. So it will return the value warm to you, which is the value if false. So let's press enter and see what will be the result. Warm, right? It's correct, right? It's because this is smaller than or equal to 30. I mean, it's smaller than 30 to be exactly. So if put it down, and it will show you that warm, hot, warm, hot, warm, hot, right? According to uh, the equation. So because it's just changed automatically when you drag down a column. So let's finish the second instruction also. So if the lowest temperature is lower than 5, show yes under cold warning, otherwise show no. So it's just the same, right? We use if right here. And then for the logical test, this time lower than 5, so it's C2 lower than 5. So the value true, then we need to show yes. And if it is false, then we need to show no. Right? It's quite obvious. So it is yes because its temperature is 2 degrees. Right? So draw it down, and it will show all the things automatically. So one thing is you need to bear this in mind is that in here in the instruction 1 we have higher than or equal to. So if you recognize the equation right here, we have an equal sign right here, which means equal to. So you see that here for the temperature 30 is greater than or equal to, so it returns the true value, which is hot. But in the second instruction, it doesn't contain equal to, so it's just saying lower than. That means if the lower temperature is 5, it's still showing no. So if you see that its lower temperature is 5, it's still showing no because we didn't contain an equal to sign right here. So it is very important that when you're using about yes or no, or hot or warm, and also the if function, because this is a very typical error that people always mix, that they mix up with the equal to or having contain no equal to sign. So that's all for today. Remember to thumbs up this video or subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find it useful. And here again, thanks for watching.